Welcome back, everybody. More first world problems for you today. So, as I was walking around the yard doing my chores, I came across this. So, I'll spare you the details, but um, that's a raccoon with its head stuck in a bucket that we have sitting outside, and it's not responsive. It's most likely dead, and now I got to get rid of it. So, first world problems. It's just every time I start thinking like all the high technology we're surrounded by, electric cars, yeah, AI, freaking quantum computing, physics, and then I'm brought back to reality by shit like this. You know, freaking rodents dying around the house. So many of them, I'm running out of places to bury them. I guess this is a luxury that most people don't have in this world. I should learn to be grateful. Digging shallow graves on weekends. There. That's what we do with fucking dead rodents. Alright, hopefully you won't have to deal with this shit. But if you do, that's all we do. We keep you from stinking up the place. Alright, hope this helps you. Good luck.